5 money habits that can help you build wealth before 40. Imagine two people. Both earn the same salary. 10 years later, one has investments, financial security, and peace of mind. The other is buried in debt and living paycheck to paycheck. The difference isn't luck, it's habits. Today, you'll learn 5 powerful money habits that can help you build wealth over time, whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or even starting later. Let's dive in. Habit number 1. Pay yourself first. Most people pay bills first, then spend on shopping, entertainment, dining out, and hope there's money left to save. Usually, there isn't. People who build wealth often reverse this process. The moment their paycheck arrives, they automatically move part of it into savings or investments. This simple habit creates consistency. Even starting with a small percentage and increasing it over time can make a meaningful difference. Action step. Set up automatic transfers on payday so saving happens before spending. Habit number 2. Invest consistently. Many people think investing requires thousands of dollars. It doesn't. What matters most is consistency. Investing regularly over many years allows your money to grow through long-term market returns and compounding. Waiting for the perfect time often leads to doing nothing. Many long-term investors focus on disciplined, regular investing instead of trying to predict short-term market moves. Remember, every investment carries risk, so learn the basics and choose investments that fit your goals and risk tolerance. Habit number 3. Stay away from high-interest debt. High-interest debt can quietly consume your income. If you're paying large amounts of interest every month, that's money that can't be used for investing or building an emergency fund. Before buying something on credit, ask yourself, will this purchase improve my life next year, or am I just buying a moment of excitement? Reducing high-interest debt can free up more money for long-term financial goals. Habit number 4. Keep learning about money. Financial education doesn't stop after school. The most successful investors and entrepreneurs continue learning throughout their lives. Spend a little time each week learning about budgeting, investing, taxes, retirement planning, money psychology. Knowledge won't make you rich overnight, but it can help you make better decisions for decades. Habit number 5. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck can be risky. Many people gradually add other income sources over time, such as freelancing, a small online business, dividend-paying investments, selling digital products, rental income, consulting. You don't need to start all at once. Even one additional income source can increase financial flexibility. The goal isn't to work every hour of the day. It's to reduce dependence on a single source of income. I'm building better money habits. Subscribe to Wealth Theory